49. The Truth and the Lie. Our Lord declares, I am the truth, John 14:6. Knowing Him who is the truth is important. The knowledge requires us to reorder our lives. The truth compels us to govern our lives by its reality, not our imagination nor by a lie. Years ago, I knew a man who had once been rich and was now totally penniless. He simply refused to accept the reality of his condition and ended up in a mental institution. He was completely logical in conversation, except on one point. He insisted and seemed to believe he was still rich. It had led him to write bad checks and to trouble his family by his rejection of reality. The better we know Him who is the truth, the less we will tolerate a lie or give ground to him who is the father of lies. John 8:44. Men like to believe a middle ground exists between the truth and lies, but it does not, and almost all languages lack a word for that supposed middle ground. Too many people do not want to commit themselves to anything, especially not to the truth. Of course, they prefer not to be identified with the world of lies, so they try to live in an imaginary neutral realm. This in itself is living a lie. The truth is too rigorous for them. They prefer an uncommitted life. Recently, a woman who was sexually harassed by a supervisor, openly and coarsely, was at once defended by a fellow employee who was a man. Later, on promises apparently of job advantages, she withdrew the charges and subsequently her defender was fired. This young woman found advantages in choosing a lie despite several witnesses, and she will in time reap the evil rewards of a lie. The truth requires sacrifices. A lie offers advantages usually, but the greatest consequence of a lie is what it does to the liar.